going over the Grace accountability system. First step is to turn it on. The button on the right corner. We have to wait for it to load. This is actually performance standard number 5B. Once it loads, it should come up straight away. And this is your incident information page. To start a new incident, you go down to Start Incident, and it takes you to the monitoring page. And this shows you, it has your par timer on here, and it shows you who you're monitoring as far as units. If there are any units that are non-HFD units, you need to notify Incident Command as soon as possible, just for their knowledge. Okay. On this page, you need to be able to make sure that you know how to navigate between monitoring page and the information page. By doing so, you go to the operation, and it'll take you back to your incident information page. Here it has your incident type, your accountability, your position. To get back to the monitoring page, you click Return to Incident, and that gets you back to where you need to be to monitor your units. And these are your status icons. That shows up, lets you know you had somebody in alarm, and then alarm was active. To reset it, you simply click on that unit, and come down, press and hold clear alarm. Okay. And your par timer is usually set for 25 minutes. We have it set for 2 for this exercise, just so you'd be able to see what happens when the par timer comes down. Every 25 minutes you get an automatic par. This is what your screen reads. It says auto par time reached, start auto par. You would click yes to go ahead and start the par, or no to go ahead and hold off. Before you click yes, you need to get on the radio to everybody, all your units, and say stand by for accountability par check. And once that's done, you go ahead and click yes. It'll send the par out. Okay, now we have par acknowledgement. It shows up on here on your status icons, and you need to inform Incident Command of that the par is complete. And then after that, it's followed by clearing the pars. So you hit select all, or you select whichever unit you need. If somebody does not acknowledge, you need to go ahead and inform Incident Command right away and try to figure out what's going on with that person not acknowledging your par. But once you have everybody acknowledged and you need to clear your par, you hit select all, come down here to clear par, press and hold, and that clears your par. In the case of an evacuation needed, you would go here to your select all section again, your select all button, and once it's selected, come down here to send evac, and you press and hold. Once it's acknowledged, we can go ahead and we're gonna have to check for par once again after every evac. If somebody does not acknowledge your evac, you need to go ahead and let Incident Command know right away and try to figure out what's going on there. But once everybody does acknowledge your evac, you select all, and you come down here to clear evac. Press and hold once again, and that clears it. Now after every evac, you also need to go ahead and initiate a par. So go ahead and hit select all again, and if you come down here, you can manually call for a par. That's what we're gonna do. So you come down, press and hold, and once it's acknowledged, Once everybody has acknowledged the PAR, we're going to go ahead and clear it. Select all, come back down to clear PAR. We inform incident command that PAR is complete. And if there are any unacknowledged PARs, we do have to inform incident command once again that the PAR is not complete. But since everybody did acknowledge this, we're going to go ahead and clear the PAR. So we select all, come down here to clear PAR, press and hold, and we're cleared. Okay, now to set up the incident address, we're going to come over here to operation setup once again, which is going to take us to our incident information page. And we can come here, type in your number of the street address. For this incident, we're going to go 8030 Braniff. Or Bend Hill, it's fine. Then to save and close the incident, once everything's done, once the incident is over, to save it, we're going to go ahead and hit exit. And it's going to inform you that once you hit yes, it's going to save before exiting. And that's what we want, so we're going to go ahead and click yes. That saves the incident and closes out the incident command screen. And then to shut off your grace box, you come down to start and shut down. We must wait for all the software to close out before you close it up.